and welcome to Fun with Java. In this video, we will be learning about arithmetic expressions. And as you can see here, there's 5 types. Addition, represented by plus sign, subtraction, minus, division, slash, multiplication is represented by the asterisk sign, which is distinct. And there's modulus. If you don't know what modulus is, it's kind of like division. It gives out the remainder instead. So, for example, when divide 10 by 7, it gives 1 for division. But if you modulus 10 by 7, it gives 3. You can try it out. So that's modulus, it gives out remainders. So I won't be going through the slides. Instead, I'll show you what it has taught. You can use the slides as examples and reference. At first, we'll be doing simple arithmetic. We'll be declaring x equals to 15, y equals 8. Declare another variable, z. So let's do addition. X plus y. Print it out. Do another one. X bracket x multiplies y, right? Divided by x again. Print it out. Let's do modulus. X modulus by y. When you divide 15 with 8, what is the remainder? It should be 7. And yes, there's 7. In this, you can make your own simple calculator with Java. So, yeah, it's pretty fun. Moving on to the next one, shorthand operators. What shorthand operator is? It's quite cool. I'll show you. So let's declare a as 5. Put it as a plus equals 20. Print out. Do another one. A minus equals 5. Print out. A multiplies equals 6. A divide equals 7. So what this is, it actually equals to a equals to a plus, for this one, a equals a minus 5. As for this one, it's actually quite simple. A equals to a multiplied by 6. A equals a divided by 7. So essentially, for this case, I'll take this case as example, it takes the number before the plus sign and add it with the number after the equal sign. So, well, that's how it is. If you're confused, you can write it out in like this in Java, but these are kind of like shortcut. So, before I hit run, pause the video here and calculate the answer out. Maybe not what you expect. If it is, then congratulations to you. If it's not, there's a reason why. And if you figure it out, yes, that's because the A here is different. Sorry, the A here is different from the A here. Because you already added with 20, the A here is instead is 25. So yeah, remember that tidbit. Moving on to the next one. Pre and post operators. For this one, it actually depends on what you put first. Let's declare B as 4. print out B. If you have gone through the slides, you should be you should have seen this. That's B. Double plus means increment by 1. So when 4 plus 1 equals to 5. But why is it here it's still 4 while the second time we print it out it's 5? That's because it prints first before increment it. So B it prints B before plus 1 equals to 5, and the B here is 5. So you can put it the other way around. Like increment B first before printing it. Like that way B becomes 6 instead of 5. And instead of increment it, you can decrement it as well, such as minus minus B. It decrements by 1, which is minus 1. B minus 1 equals to 5. It decrements first before printing it. Try out. It should be equal to 5. There you go. This is quite simple. Java can be quite simple. But you need practice. If you're still confused, you can go to the slides or rewatch the video. The slides can be examples. So thank you for watching. I hope you have fun with Java. Thank you.